Welcome to month 4, a world of discovery. Congratulations, new parents. You've made it through the initial whirlwind of the first 3 months. You've navigated the exciting, sometimes challenging first 3 months of your baby's life. It's been a journey filled with sleepless nights, countless diaper changes, and endless moments of joy. Now, get ready for an incredible period of growth and development as you enter month 4. This is a time when your baby starts to show more personality and curiosity. Your little one is blossoming, becoming more alert, engaged, and ready to explore the world around them. Every day brings new surprises and discoveries. This month brings a new wave of discoveries for your baby. Their vision improves, allowing them to see more clearly and focus on objects with greater interest. They begin to reach for objects, showing their growing curiosity and developing motor skills. It's a joy to watch them explore their surroundings, and their first attempts at rolling over might just take you by surprise. This is a significant milestone that marks their physical development. It's a time of wonder for both of you as you witness these incredible milestones unfold. Each new skill your baby acquires is a testament to their growth and your loving care. Remember, every baby develops at their own pace. It's important to celebrate their unique journey and progress. Don't be discouraged if your little one doesn't hit every milestone exactly when the books say. Each baby is different, and they will reach their milestones in their own time. Trust your instincts, cherish each moment, and enjoy the beautiful journey of parenthood. These early months are precious and fleeting. As you navigate the days ahead, know that you're not alone. There are many resources and communities to support you. We're here to guide you through the joys and challenges of this incredible stage. Together we can make this journey smoother and more enjoyable. Let's dive into what month 4 has in store for you and your precious little one. Get ready for more smiles, giggles, and unforgettable moments. Growing and thriving. Hello, little milestone maker. This month your baby's personality truly begins to shine. You'll notice more smiles, laughter, and those little quirks that make them unique. Their cries become more distinct, and they may even start communicating with adorable coos and gurgles. These sounds are their way of interacting with the world around them. Prepare for plenty of heart-melting smiles and baby babble. These moments are precious and signify their growing connection with you. Developmentally, your 4-month-old is making huge strides. Each day brings new skills and abilities. Their neck muscles are stronger, allowing them to hold their heads steadier during tummy time. This is a crucial step in their physical development. They can track moving objects with their eyes and are increasingly fascinated by faces, especially yours. This helps in their visual and cognitive development. You might notice your baby bringing their hands to their mouth, a sign of their developing hand-eye coordination. This exploration is essential for their sensory growth. This newfound skill paves the way for exciting milestones, like grasping toys and, before you know it, feeding themselves. These are important steps towards independence. Remember, every baby is unique. They grow and develop at their own pace, and that's perfectly okay. Celebrate each milestone, big or small, and cherish these precious moments as your little one blossoms. These early achievements lay the foundation for their future growth. Engaging your baby fun activities for tiny explorers. Now that your baby is more alert and responsive, it's the perfect time to engage their senses and encourage their development through play. These early interactions are crucial for their cognitive and emotional growth. Simple activities can provide hours of entertainment and learning opportunities for your little one. From colorful toys to interactive games, every moment is a chance to learn and grow. Tummy time is crucial for developing neck and shoulder muscles, and it also helps prevent flat spots on your baby's head. It's a foundational exercise that sets the stage for future milestones like crawling and sitting up. Make it fun by placing colorful toys within their reach, encouraging them to reach out and grab. This not only strengthens their muscles, but also enhances their hand-eye coordination. Introduce your baby to the wonderful world of books. Reading to your baby can be a magical experience that sparks their imagination. Choose high-contrast board books with simple images and read to them in a soothing voice. These books are designed to capture their attention and stimulate their visual development. This not only boosts language development, but also creates a loving bond between you and your baby. The warmth of your voice and the comfort of your presence make reading time special. Take your baby on outdoor adventures. Fresh air and natural surroundings are beneficial for both of you. The sights, sounds, and smells of nature provide valuable sensory stimulation. Point out different objects like trees, birds, and flowers to engage their curiosity. Even a simple walk in the stroller can be an enriching experience for your little one. It's a great way to introduce them to the world around them. Remember, playtime should be enjoyable for both of you. It's a time to relax, have fun, and create lasting memories. Follow your baby's lead, offer plenty of encouragement, and cherish these special moments of connection. These early experiences lay the foundation for a lifetime of learning and love.